How to create a Roblox ID on your mobile device. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a new Roblox ID on your mobile device. So the first thing you want to do is download the Roblox app from your Play Store or App Store, and once you've downloaded the app, simply open it. Now once you've opened the Roblox app, it will provide you basically two options, namely sign up and login. So in order to create a new ID or a new account, simply tap on the option sign up, and now enter your date of birth. Now enter your username and make sure to not use your real name as your username, so you can enter any username you want. Now once you've entered your username, simply create a new password which must be at least 8 characters. Now once you've created a password, simply select your gender, and now finally tap on sign up. And it was as easy as that. So that is basically how you create a new ID on Roblox. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.